The fourth decision that was taken in the cabinet today was to form a new company. There's a proposal to set up a special purpose vehicle, i.e. the Meghalaya Energy Efficiency Limited under the Power Department. This is being done as one of the power sector reforms which the Government of India has mandated all the state governments to do. This will have two purposes and two effects. Number one, energy efficiency is a subject that is of key importance today in the power sector. Therefore, a need to have an agency, a company, a special purpose vehicle, whatever nomenclature you would like to use, in order to look into the aspects of efficiency is needed. And hence, the Meghalaya Energy Efficiency Limited has been formed. The other part of this reformation is that Government of India has laid down conditions to all the state governments that in order to avail the additional 2% loan factor from the banks, which is 4%, which is 5% of the GSDP of the states, the 2% additional amount which Government of India has agreed has been on the condition of implementation of one nation, one ration card, 2, the ease of doing business reforms, 3, the urban local body utility reforms, and 4, power sector reforms. Therefore, by doing this reform and by achieving higher efficiency in the energy sector, which would ultimately help the overall energy sector in the state, we are also creating this reform which will enable the government also to access the additional debt ceiling that the Government of India has given to all the state governments in the country. That was the fourth